Picture this. You're driving down the highway, and suddenly your dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree. Your heart races. Is your engine about to explode? Are your brakes failing? Should you pull over immediately or keep driving? If you've ever experienced that moment of panic when an unfamiliar warning light appears on your Ford's dashboard, you're not alone. Today, we're going to decode every single warning light that could possibly appear on your Ford's instrument cluster, so you'll never have to guess what your car is trying to tell you again. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which lights mean pull over immediately, which ones can wait until your next service appointment, and which ones are just friendly reminders. Let's dive in. Number 1. The red alerts. Stop immediately. Let's start with the most critical warning lights, the ones that demand your immediate attention. These are your red alert signals, the ones that are telling you something serious is happening right now, and ignoring them could lead to catastrophic damage or even put your safety at risk. The brake system warning light is one you absolutely cannot ignore. When you see that red circle with an exclamation mark inside or the word brake illuminated on your dashboard, your Ford is telling you there's a problem with your braking system. This could mean your brake fluid is dangerously low, there's a leak in the system, or your parking brake is still engaged. If this light comes on while you're driving and you're certain your parking brake is released, you need to pull over safely as soon as possible. Your brakes might still work, but they could fail at any moment, and that's not a risk worth taking. Next up is the engine temperature warning light. This one shows up as a thermometer dipping into wavy lines, and when it glows red, your engine is overheating. Modern Ford engines are incredibly sophisticated machines, but they generate enormous amounts of heat. And if that heat isn't properly managed, you can warp cylinder heads, blow head gaskets, or even seize your entire engine. If you see this light, pull over immediately, turn off the engine, and let it cool down for at least 30 minutes before you even think about opening the hood. Never, and I mean never, try to remove the radiator cap when the engine is hot. The pressurized coolant can spray out and cause serious burns. The oil pressure warning light looks like a little oil can, and when it illuminates, it means your engine isn't getting the lubrication it needs. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine. It reduces friction between moving parts, prevents wear, and helps manage heat. Without adequate oil pressure, metal components start grinding against each other, and you can destroy your engine in minutes. If this light comes on, stop driving immediately. Check your oil level once the engine cools down, and if it's low, top it up. But if the oil level is fine and the light stays on, don't start the engine again. You'll need to have your Ford towed to a service center because the problem could be a failed oil pump or a blocked oil passage. Number 2. The amber warnings. Address soon. Now let's talk about the amber or yellow warning lights. These are your check soon signals. They're not as immediately critical as the red lights, but they're telling you something needs attention before it becomes a bigger problem. Think of these as your car's way of giving you a heads up. The check engine light is probably the most common and most misunderstood warning light on any vehicle. It looks like an engine outline, and it can mean dozens of different things. Your Ford's onboard computer monitors hundreds of sensors throughout the engine and emission system, and when something reads outside the normal parameters, this light comes on. It could be something as simple as a loose gas cap allowing fuel vapors to escape, or it could be a failing catalytic converter, a misfiring cylinder, or a faulty oxygen sensor. The key here is not to panic, but also not to ignore it. If the light is steady, you can continue driving, but you should have your Ford scanned for diagnostic trouble codes as soon as possible. However, if the check engine light is flashing, that's much more serious. A flashing check engine light indicates a severe misfire that could damage your catalytic converter, and you should reduce your speed and get to a service center right away. The tire pressure monitoring system light shows up as a horseshoe shape with an exclamation mark inside. Modern Fords have sensors in each tire that constantly monitor air pressure, and when one or more tires drops below the recommended pressure, this light illuminates. Underinflated tires are more than just an inconvenience. They reduce fuel economy, cause uneven tire wear, affect your handling and braking, and increase the risk of a blowout. When you see this light, check all 4 tires plus your spare with a quality tire pressure gauge. The correct pressure for your specific Ford model is listed on a sticker inside the driver's door jamb. If you find a tire that's significantly low, Inspect it for punctures or damage before inflating it. Sometimes this light will also come on when temperatures drop dramatically, because cold air causes tire pressure to decrease. The battery warning light looks like a little battery with plus and minus symbols. When this illuminates while you're driving, it doesn't necessarily mean your battery is dead. What it actually indicates is that your charging system isn't working properly. Your alternator might be failing, your serpentine belt might be broken or slipping, or there could be a problem with the voltage regulator. If you see this light, you're running on battery power alone, and depending on how much charge your battery has, you might have anywhere from 5 minutes to an hour before your Ford dies completely. Turn off all unnecessary electrical accessories like the radio, air conditioning, and heated seats to conserve power, and head straight to the nearest service center or pull over and call for assistance. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Number 3. Safety System Indicators. Your Ford is equipped with numerous advanced safety systems, and several warning lights are dedicated to letting you know when these systems need attention or when they're actively working to protect you. The anti-lock braking system light, usually displayed as ABS in a circle, indicates a problem with your anti-lock brakes. Now, here's something important to understand. If this light comes on, your regular brakes will still work normally. What you lose is the anti-lock function that prevents your wheels from locking up during hard braking. The ABS system uses wheel speed sensors, a hydraulic control unit, and an electronic control module to rapidly pulse your brakes when it detects a wheel is about to lock. This allows you to maintain steering control during emergency stops. If the ABS light comes on, you can continue driving, but be extra cautious in wet or slippery conditions and have the system diagnosed soon, because a common cause is a failing wheel speed sensor. The traction control and stability control lights work together to keep your Ford planted firmly on the road. The traction control light usually shows a car with wavy lines behind it, and it may flash when the system is actively preventing wheel spin during acceleration. If it stays on constantly, the system has detected a fault and has disabled itself. Electronic stability control takes things a step further by using individual wheel braking and engine power reduction to prevent skids and loss of control. These systems have saved countless lives by intervening when a driver makes a steering input that would normally cause the vehicle to spin out. If these lights stay illuminated, your Ford will still drive normally, but you've lost these electronic safety nets. The airbag warning light typically shows a seated figure with a circle in front representing the airbag. When you first start your Ford, this light should illuminate briefly as the system performs a self-test, then go out. If it stays on or comes on while driving, there's a fault in the supplemental restraint system. This could be a problem with the airbag sensors, the clock spring in your steering wheel, seatbelt pretensioners, or the airbags themselves. The serious concern here is that your airbags might not deploy in a collision, or in rare cases, they could deploy unexpectedly. This requires immediate professional diagnosis and repair. Number 4. Maintenance and fluid reminders. Several warning lights on your Ford are simply reminders that routine maintenance is due or that fluid levels need attention. These are the least urgent, but staying on top of them keeps your vehicle running smoothly and prevents bigger problems down the road. The oil change reminder light or maintenance required light is programmed to illuminate based on your driving conditions and mileage. Ford's intelligent oil life monitoring system doesn't just count miles. It analyzes your driving patterns, engine temperature, engine revolutions, and other factors to determine when your oil has degraded and needs changing. When you see this light, it's time to schedule an oil change. Modern synthetic oils last much longer than the old 3,000-mile rule, but you still need to change your oil regularly to prevent engine wear and maintain optimal performance. The washer fluid low light shows up as a windshield with a dotted spray pattern. This one's pretty straightforward. Your windshield washer reservoir is running low, and you need to top it off with washer fluid. While this might seem trivial, having a clean windshield is crucial for visibility and safety. Don't use plain water in your washer reservoir, especially in cold climates, because water can freeze and crack the reservoir or damage the pump. Use proper windshield washer fluid that's rated for your climate. The low fuel warning light is that gas pump symbol we've all seen, and it means you're running dangerously low on fuel. Most Fords illuminate this light when you have approximately 2 gallons or 30 to 50 miles of range remaining. But these estimates can vary significantly based on your driving conditions. Consistently running your fuel tank to empty can damage your fuel pump because the fuel itself helps cool the pump. When the tank gets too low, the pump can overheat and fail prematurely, which is an expensive repair. Number 5. Modern Ford technology alerts. Newer Ford models come equipped with cutting-edge technology and driver assistance features, each with their own set of warning lights and indicators that you need to understand. The adaptive cruise control and collision warning lights indicate the status of Ford's advanced driver assistance systems. The adaptive cruise control uses radar or cameras to maintain a set following distance from the vehicle ahead, automatically adjusting your speed. When this system encounters a problem, such as a blocked sensor from dirt or snow, a warning light will appear. The pre-collision assist system monitors the road ahead and can automatically apply the brakes if it detects an imminent collision. These systems represent incredible safety technology, but they're not foolproof and should never replace attentive driving. The lane keeping system warning shows a vehicle between lane lines. Ford's lane keeping system uses a camera to detect lane markings and will gently steer your vehicle back into the lane if you start to drift without using your turn signal. Some systems also provide steering wheel vibration as a warning. When this light comes on with a problem indicator, the system has been disabled, usually because the camera can't clearly see the lane markings due to poor visibility, faded paint, or a dirty windshield. The blind spot monitoring lights are typically located in or near your side mirrors, rather than on the main instrument cluster. When another vehicle is in your blind spot, a light illuminates in that mirror. This system uses radar sensors in the rear bumper to detect vehicles you might not see when changing lanes. If these lights aren't working, check if there's dirt, snow, or ice blocking the sensors on your rear bumper, or if you've recently had bodywork done that might have misaligned the sensors. Number 6. Specialized system warnings. Beyond the common warning lights, your Ford may have additional indicators for specialized systems depending on your specific model and trim level. The four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive warning lights appear on Ford trucks and SUVs equipped with these systems. These lights indicate which drive mode is currently active or if there's a problem with the system. If you see a service four-wheel drive message or a persistent warning light, it could indicate issues with the transfer case, actuators, or sensors. Never ignore these warnings, especially if you rely on four-wheel drive for off-road capability or winter traction. The diesel particulate filter warning light appears on Ford diesel vehicles like the Power Stroke-equipped trucks. The DPF traps soot from the exhaust, and periodically the system needs to burn off this accumulated soot in a process called regeneration. If this light comes on, it means the filter is getting clogged and needs regeneration. Usually this happens automatically during highway driving, but if you do a lot of short trips, you might need to take your truck for a longer drive at highway speeds to allow the regeneration process to complete. The electric vehicle warning lights on Ford's hybrid and electric models provide information about the high-voltage battery system, charging status, and powertrain readiness. The turtle icon indicates your vehicle has entered a reduced power mode to protect the battery. The wrench symbol indicates a general powertrain malfunction. Understanding these lights is crucial for electric and hybrid Ford owners to maximize efficiency and identify potential problems early. The bottom line. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to understand what your Ford is communicating through its dashboard warning lights. Remember, red lights mean stop immediately and address the problem. Amber or yellow lights mean address soon but aren't immediately critical. Blue and green lights are simply informational, telling you a system is active. The most important thing is never to ignore warning lights, especially the red ones, because what starts as a minor issue can quickly become a major repair if left unaddressed. Your Ford's dashboard is constantly monitoring dozens of systems and hundreds of sensors, and these warning lights are your early warning system. Pay attention to them, respond appropriately, and your Ford will reward you with years of reliable service. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment letting me know which warning light has appeared on your Ford recently. Stay safe out there, and remember, your dashboard is talking to you, so listen to what it has to say.